Turbo? Turbo? Turbo! Huh? His little ears like magnifying. He's like...
Alright, so today we're gonna change the oil in the GTR. This is the first official oil change from when the motor was built. It has roughly 900 miles on it. So we're using, this is what we used since day one. This is good shit. You don't want to use synthetic oil because it makes the cylinder wall slippery so the rings won't break in. So this is Motul break-in engine oil. It's mineral 10W40. So this is like awesome stuff. So I recommend this, you know, for any car that's getting a built motor, you could run that, which is nice. And then after that, we're doing 25 or 2050, and then this is, doesn't look that bad.
No sparklies.
Yeah.
I mean, it is some sort of metallic.
Yeah, I mean, that just might be from, I mean, literally this is the first time we've changed it ever, so let's see. That doesn't look bad. What is that thing? What is that?
It's a magnet.
It's a magnet. Oh, is that from the...
Oh, it came out here.
Oh, I was gonna say, what the hell? Alright. So that's that. Yeah, I was gonna say, what is that thing sticking out? Yeah, I was like,
what came out of the fucking van, dude, right now?
That's maybe why we saw a little metallic. It's probably running off that, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It looks good. So that's the first official oil change, I guess you can say, minus the startup. And I'm gonna pull the plug. Let's see it. Yeah, it's not bad. That's normal. That's just standard shit. Cool. So it looks good.
Man.
Hell yeah. Get the oil filter off, baby. Ooh.
Are they using Nissan filter?
Yeah, they always use Nissan for some reason. I mean, the shop does. I mean, I guess because it's OEM. I think they're better filters out there, but whatever. That's what they use. Probably because they just buy it at the local store. Shake before you add. Per the bottle instructions.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Dude, it's so it's like weird looking.
It's a clear.
Yeah, it's a clear. It has like no color to it.
$20. Taste it.
No.
Some good OVO.
Hell yeah. Oh.
I found that in the Skyline.
Did you?
Yeah.
Is it from Japan?
Probably. It's a fidget spinner from Japan.
Yeah, I'm letting him go to you, okay?
Why? Who's gonna eat something?
That's what I want to tape.
We got this.
Like for the bulldog. Turbo. Turbo.
See that? Make that noise.
Turbo.
Come on. Why is he looking?
I don't know.
Alright, let me get him.
It's bad.
Can you stop the tape?
No. Heck yeah. Is this 5? 4. So it looks like there's no leaks or nothing, which is good. Right?
Yeah, whoever did the work is very good. It's like clean.
Yeah.
This thing even fast?
No, it's not. Slow.
What are these things? You gotta do your calipers like this.
I know. I want to get the blue and then do white font. That'd be sick. Hell yeah. Catch can that we have. Let's see how much is in it after 800 miles. Oh, oh!
That's a...
Yeah.
What? I'm gonna... Hold on. What the hell is that? Is that all that moisture?
Yeah, it's moisture, yeah. It filled up a coffee cup. Holy
Still... Oh, God.
Is it normal?
yeah, that's what it's meant to do. I don't know about a coffee cup.
Dude, smell that. It's like...
It smells like fuel and water and yeah, that's its purpose.
Really?
That's the point of a catch can, yeah. It catches all the shit. So all
that much?
so all that was going back into my motor before. There you go. Damn, is that an 8-ounce cup or a 12-ounce?
It's an 8-ounce cup. You just filled 8 ounces up. How many miles was this?
800.
Dude, you got... How many ounces does it hold?
1.5 gallons.
Oh, you'd be alright.
Yeah, it's 1.5 gallons. So, what's that? What, like 160 ounces?
Well, I mean, this is an 8-ounce cup, and it's almost full. So you almost had 16 ounces.
Right, but it holds
A lot.
well, a gallon's 128 ounces,
Yeah.
so a gallon and a half is like 180.
Like 10 of these.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's cool. Hell yeah.
It's a nice design.
Yeah. You like it?
I would just run that bitch open the whole time.
You could. I mean, it would just go in the back. Yeah. I mean, it holds a lot. So that was like 15 ounces.
At least, yeah. That's crazy. You want to see it?
Yeah. Looks like coffee. Yeah, it's like.
Dude, that's insane.
Yeah, that's cool. That's why you should have a catch can.
Exactly. There's some floaties in there.
It might just be material from.
Yeah. That's neat.
Yeah, it's cool. Hell yeah. All right, so the oil change is done. We're gonna give it a fire up, let it warm up to temp, and then we're gonna check fuel level. Let's see. Ugh. All right. Cycle through. All right. So that should be enough. Just cycle it around.